Hello students, in last video of statistics we have discussed about a topic from the measurement of center tendency, and the subtopic was the mode, and we calculated the modal value in individuals reach. At there we have discussed that if in analysis table we are getting equal items, then what we have to do we will talk in next video. So in this video we will take the problem from the individuals reach, and we will calculate the value of mode, and in that question if we will get equal value in individuals in analysis, then what we have to do to calculate correct mode we will discuss in this video. So we are taking one example for that. Suppose we are having value 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. These are the values. The frequency may be, suppose our frequency is 2, 9, this is 5, 9, 13, 21, then 20, then 15, then 8, then 3. Suppose these are the frequencies given to us. So on grouping, the very first, if we have having the observation of this, we are getting that modal value is 21 because it's a highest frequency. But already we have discussed that we do not want to having the observation method. Sometimes observation method may be wrong. So always whenever you are getting a question from the model group mode in paper, you are to calculate mode with the grouping method. So we will use on grouping. We are having 5 grouping. First one, this may be second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and analysis. This is grouping. First grouping, second grouping, third grouping, fourth grouping, fifth grouping, and analysis. Okay. Already we know that the very first we have to make the pair of 2 2. Second grouping, make the pair of 2 2, 1 left. Then third grouping we make to the pair of 3 3. In fourth grouping we make to pair 3 3, 1 left. And last grouping pair of 3 3, 2 left. Already we have discussed. Okay. The very first one, we are having the group of 2 2s. So we add 1 and 5 and 9, that is 14. Againly we add this one, that is 34. Againly we add this one, 35, and 8 and 3 each addition is 11. So this is our first grouping is completed. We make the pair of 2 2. Okay. In second grouping, we will leave first item. Againly we were having grouping of 2 2. So that is 22. Again 21 and 20, addition of both is equal to 41. 15 and 8, addition is 21. Here we are 3 is left, but we require for that grouping 2 item, only 1 item is here, so we will leave this item. So we have completed the second grouping, that is grouping of 2 2, leaving first item. Now third grouping we have to make the pair of 3 3 items. So the first 3 is addition is 14 and 13, 27. Next 3, that is 56. Now only 2 items left, so we will not use because we required 3 items here. So this grouping also completed. Now leaving 1 item, we have to make the group pair of 3 3 items. So first 5 we will leave, and this is the addition. First 3 item, that is 43. Again 3 item, addition of all 3, that is 43. This grouping is also completed. Now leaving 2 items again we are having pair of 3 items. So this one is 54 and last one is 26. So our grouping is completed now. The first one grouping we have addition of 2. In second grouping, first item leaving, then addition of 9 plus 13, 22, addition of 21 and 20, 41, addition of 15 and 8, 21. In third grouping, we are having 3 pairs, so 9, 5, 9 and 13, 27, 21, 20 and 15, that is 56. Now 2 items left, so that's why there is no grouping of this. In fourth grouping, leaving first item, we are adding 9, 13 and 21, this is 43, 20, 15 and 8, this is 43. In fifth grouping, leaving 2 items, we are making the pair of 3. So first 3 is 13, 21 and 20 is 54 and 15, 8 and 3 is 26. Now we are having the analysis. So whenever you keep in mind, whenever you are doing the analysis, you should start analysis from the frequency table. So in first frequency table, that is 21 is maximum item. So we will put a tally mark on this. In first grouping, firstly we have take the frequency 21 is maximum, so we will having only 21 having a tally mark on in front of 21. In first grouping, 35 is the maximum value, which is addition of 20 and 15. So we will having a tally mark on 20 and tally mark on 15. This is the addition of 2. That's why the two tally mark has been drawn. In second grouping, the 41 is the highest number, is addition of 21 and 20. So we are having a tally mark of 21 and 12 tally mark on in front of 20. In third grouping, the 56 is the highest number, which is the addition of 21, 20 and 15. So we will make three tally mark because it's the addition of 3. So we will having 1 tally mark in front of 21, 1 tally mark in front of 20 and 1 tally mark in front of 15. Okay. In fourth, we are getting equal number, so we have to take tally mark for this also and this also. We have to 3 tally mark for this 43 and 3 tally mark for this 43. So first 43 is addition of 9, 13 and 21. So we are having 1 tally mark in front of 9, 13 and 21. Second 43 is addition of 20, 15 and 8. So we were having tally mark 20, 15 and 8. And last one 54 is the highest number, which is addition of 13, 21 and 20. So 13 tally mark, 21, 4 and 5th will be diagonally so that we can be calculate easily. So 13, 1 tally mark, second tally mark and this is third tally mark. So in analysis table we are getting 1, 2, 5, 5, 3, 1. It means in analysis table we are getting equal number 5, 5, 4, 13 or 4, 14. So our model value may be 13, may be 14. This is quite confusing because our model value may be 13 and may be 14 because both are getting in analysis table. In both in front of 13 also there is 5, in front of 14 also there is 5. So to calculate the actual value of mod, we will see where the groupage of the frequency is higher. So for that calculating the groupage, we will calculate the frequency F1 is for the model group, F0 for the pre-frequency of model group, F2 past frequency of the model group. It means when our group, we are supposing 13 is our model group. So our frequency F1 will be this, F0 will be this and F2 will be this. So there will be 13, F0, 21 and 20. If our model group is 14, then 20 will be our F1, this will be our F0, this will be our F2. So in this condition, 21, 20 and 15, we will add both of them. The addition of this is 54, the addition of this is 56. It's 56 is higher than 54. It means is showed that the collection of the frequency is more higher on 14 than 13. So our value of mode will be 14. This is the calculation of mode in individual series, in discrete series, sorry. So if you are getting equal items, you should not worry for that. You have to, what you have to do, you have to see where the collection of frequency is higher. In particular this case, at the 14 we are getting collection of frequency is 56, adding pre or past. If 13 is mode, the collection of frequency adding pre or past, we are having 54. In 14 we are having 56. So 56 is higher than 54. That's why we will say that our real model value will be 14. So this type of the question, if you are getting this type of the question, you can easily solve by getting this. This is not a problem for us. If we will get this type of question, certainly we can solve this. If you want to having another one question, I may calculate another one question for the same direction. Suppose I am taking a question that is 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. These are the class intervals and these are the value of x, and I am taking the frequency to, suppose this is 10, then 21, then 22, then 16, to 10. Suppose this is 14, 21, then 22, then 16, then 9, then 1. Suppose these are the frequencies, and we are to calculate the model value on grouping. This is first grouping. Second grouping, we will having some speed here because already we have discussed one question here. Fourth grouping, fifth grouping, and analysis. Okay, this is first grouping, second grouping, third grouping, fourth grouping, fifth grouping. So very first pair of 2 2 is 12. Then pair of 2 2, that is 35. Then pair of 2 2 is 38. Okay, this is 35, this is 38, and this is the pair is 10. So this is the first grouping. We are adding these two, these two, these two, and these two. In second grouping, we will leave first item. Again, we are having group of 22 2, a pair of 2 2. So this is 24, this is 43, and this is 16 and 9. That is 20. 16 and 9, that is 25. Now the pair of 3 3. So the first 3 pair is 26. Second 3 pair 8 and 9, 59. Second 3 pair, that is 59, and 2 item leave, so no problem. Third one grouping. First one grouping pair of 2 2. Second one grouping 2 2, 1 left. Third grouping pair of 3 3. Fourth grouping pair of 3 3, 1 left. And fifth grouping pair of 3 3, 2 left. Okay. So in fourth grouping, 1 item left, and this is pair. This is pair 5, 2, 3, 4, 45. Again this. Okay. This one. Having 50. First one 2, 10, 14, 22. Okay. We have done some mistake. No problem at all. Okay. 21, 9, 6, 15. 15, 17, 7, 2, 3, 4, 47. Okay. Then 2 leaving, this one 4 and 2 6 and 7 57, this 10 26. Okay, so in analogies, first one is 22. We will start from this frequency table analogy. So in analogies, first one, that is 22, we will take a tally mark on 22. In second, 38 is the highest number, so we will having tally mark 54, 22 and 16. In third, 43 is the highest number, which is addition of 21 and 22. So we will having a tally mark on 21 and 1 and 22. In this, 59 is the highest number. So we will add 20. 59 is the addition of 21, 22 and 16. So we will having tally mark on all three items. So first tally mark, second tally mark and third tally mark. Here the 47 is the highest number, which is addition of 22, 16 and 9. So we will having first tally mark here, second tally mark here, third tally mark here, and last one 57 is the highest number, which is addition of 14, 21 and 22. So we will having one tally mark, second tally mark and third tally mark. So in analysis table we are having 1, 3, 6, 3, 1. So there is no confusion. In front of this our model value will be. In this we are not having any confusion. Directly we are getting the model value. Here 6 is over there, so in front of 6, 54 is the position. So we will say our model value is 54. So this is the method to calculate model value in discrete series. In continuous series also, firstly we have to do the groupage, and from that groupage we will get the class. So in next video we will discuss how we can calculate model value in continuous series. Thank you.